Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Asma Aslam from Minhaj University Lahore, and I'm here to discuss the overview of book named 10x Rule, written by Grant Cardone. This book is really helpful for the people who want to know what are the key rules to be successful and avoid failure in life. This book, first of all, introduces the 10x rule, what 10x rules are. Basically, these are the thing or action which assure a person to achieve his/her life goal successfully. 10x rules are applicable in all areas of life, whether these are spiritual, mental, physical, or etc. etc. To follow 10x rule, we must create connection between our physical capability and mental endurance. Means that if we have to assure the extent of effort required and adjusting our thinking at higher level as before. The focus of 10x rule is on setting targets 10 times more than our desires and 10 times more efforts to achieve it. As we know that if we will think high, we will also achieve high. 10x, most of the people are not able to reach goal due to setting too low targets and underestimating the efforts resources required. So another reason is spending more time in competing, as we know that to be successful we should dominate rather than competing. Competition is healthy, but domination is immunity. So we must be looking forward to dominate rather than following or chasing someone or competing. The next rule is important for the survival because if we are failed to plan our goals in right way, then it would lead to failure, and continuous failure would lead to the disappointment in life. So therefore never reduce targets, rather increase efforts which are required to achieve it. I would like to quote one verse of Quran, Surah Maida, which says, "O you who believe, do your duty to Allah and fear Him, and strive hard in His cause as much as you can, so that you may be successful." Any target can be achieved with right mode of action. So we understand the 10x rule lead our way to success. Therefore, we must know what success is. So formally, success is defined as degree or measure of attaining some desired object till end. Success can be found in any area of life, like it can be financial, spiritual, physical, mental, etc. etc. There are most important three parameters of success, which are: success is important, success is our duty, and there is no shortage of success. And we are going to discuss three in detail. Success is important as it gives us sense of achievement in life and gives confidence that we can contribute to our society and family at greater level. Lack of success demotivates the individual and even leads him to less interest in life because failure gives disappointment. Success should not be taken as a choice. In fact, it is our obligation to be successful. And success is not exhaustible. If someone is successful, why not me? So all these three thinkings make success part of our life rapidly. At the end, I would like to end up my presentation with the help of one quote, that is, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Thank you so much.